Well, I'm here at the Roborock stand at CES Las Vegas 2026, and I have something very special in my hot little hands. I can't wait to tell you all about it, plus some of the other very cool home cleaning tech and robots. So let's check it out. All right, there's definitely been a huge buzz at the show for Roborock's new Saros Rover. So apart from a robot vacuum, this can climb and get this clean stairs at the same time. Now, I have seen some robot vacuums that can climb stairs, but definitely not clean them. So you can see here, it's got quite long, sort of articulated legs, and it can handle steps from about 16 to 18 centimeters. And what it does is it will detect in your home where the stairs are, or you can point them out for you if you want to, and then it's able to actually climb them. Now, it can climb both sort of straight, normal steps as well as curved or spiral steps too. So it's pretty versatile. Now, in terms of the step depth, now you can see with the one behind me, it can kind of clean for about its width, and it always keeps one leg sort of secured on the step underneath it. So it kind of gives you a sense of what it can do. So really deep steps, and might not be able to clean all of them, but still I think it's a really great concept, because in homes with different levels, this can now have it where your dock is in one level, the robot will clean one floor and then navigate the steps, go up to another floor, clean the stairs as it goes, and then it comes back down. Now with the demo here, there's a really cool part where it goes down a ramp at the end, and it can actually just balance perfectly on these two wheels, which is a pretty cool engineering feat. But normally it actually goes back down the stairs because not everybody has a ramp in their homes. Look, I think this is amazing technology. It just shows where it's going. Now, we can expect this out this year, although this is still in development. There's still things that they need to work out. It still has to be sort of certified for different countries. But hopefully, if you're in one of those countries, you'll get the chance to have one of these in your home, taking care of the steps and just being more confident around the home. Also, I should mention too that not only steps, this can also tackle thresholds in your homes, like the sort of the dividers between different levels. You might have a sunken living room, which is really what the intention is, as well as getting over things like, for example, if you had sliding doors with a threshold. So this is kind of multi-purpose, but really it's all about more confidence getting where it needs to in your home. Okay, so I have Roborock's new top-of-the-range Saros 20 robot vacuum system here with me. So there are actually two different models, but I want to tell you about what's new. First off, this is a fully featured robot vacuuming system, so it comes with its own self-cleaning dock that cleans the mops as well as empties the dustbins. But what you'll find this year is the suction on the robot vac has gone through the roof. So now it is 35,000 Pascal units. That is an amazing amount of suction in a very small unit. They're really helping improve the confidence of the robot vacuum in terms of getting around the house. So this one will now handle or will be able to lift up and get over thresholds of up to 8.5 centimeters. Now, this is great for sort of those kind of raised areas where maybe you have to have a sliding glass door or something like that. So I think this is a really excellent feature. Next, we have, I guess, the way the system maps your home. Now, with the Saros 20 Sonic, this gets a LiDAR sensor that pops up of the top. Now, this gives it a better view of the home around it and basically how to navigate through it. With the regular Saros 20, it has a 3D time-of-flight sensor just on the front of it, so I definitely like the Sonic model instead. Now, let me tell you a little bit about how the Sonic model cleans floors. It has a new VibraMop 5 system. Now, this is actually a mopping pad that vibrates incredibly quickly. It really sort of vibrates almost like an electric toothbrush. And what that does is it really scrubs the floor. It actually moves so quickly you can barely see it. And the thing about that is it's great for getting dried on stains off your floors. So you can have a lot of confidence that it'll really tackle those sorts of things. Now, the Saros 20 actually has rotating spinning mops, but with both of them, they can have edge cleaning technology, meaning that the rotating mop will move out into the edges and along walls and clean and mop those. But with the VibraMop 5 system on the Saros 20 Sonic, this can now clean against walls too. It actually moves outwards, which I think is really cool, and I haven't seen this before. So that means corners and edges get mopped, and really all of those sort of dried on stains get cleaned up there as well. So I think these are really great advancements. We're also seeing some cool things too, like side edge sensing. And what that does is it helps identify objects like longer cables. And with the sensors on the sides, that actually kind of helps it navigate around longer things. So it can actually run along the edges of cables, which in previous models it might not have been able to detect where those are. So there's a recap of the new Roborock Saros 20 models. You have the standard one with the spinning mops and the Sonic model, which is the one that I really like, with that new Vibra Mop 5 that just vibrates and really cleans your floors. So the best thing about this is I get to make a little bit of a mess to show you what Roborock's done with their new F25 Ace Pro, now with jet foaming. So put a bit of this on here. Okay, so the idea is that when you have extra sticky messes, things that smell, so it could be anything from pet odors to in the kitchen with greasy stains, you can now use this jet foaming feature here to put on some extra cleaning detergent, and then you can go through and just clean it up with the foam. So I've got Coca-Cola here, and it really helps just cut through because it's so sticky and messy. And also you get that benefit too that the actual foam smells nice as well. So if you have sort of like a smelly sort of pet mess, pet urine, it's great for cleaning that up as well. Or maybe dropping some baby formula. So you can just hold the trigger down and it just puts some foam on for you. And the whole thing about a wet dry mop is that it's perpetually putting clean water onto the floor because it puts clean water onto the roller, and then the roller sort of moves, and then it uses a scraping system to then clean the dirty water off of it. Now, what it also can do for you is that it's great for tangles, anything that's sort of like if there's hair on the brush, it'll also scrape that off as well. And with the design, you've got like a clean water tank down here. And this is good because it has the center of gravity low. So when this is full, it's good that it's nice and low. Dirty water tank over here as well. And catch this as well. I'm gonna lay this completely flat, and it has motorized wheels that actually help move it around. And these will operate independently, so you can even turn it around. But I can even lay it flat like this, and using the app, remote control it so it can get underneath. See these lower areas like that, and you can actually do it hands-free. It's really cool. And it's actually quite difficult to design a wet dry mop to do this and not leak water. So this is a very special feature. I really love this. But otherwise, it has special sensors in it to detect how dirty the floor is, and then it will compensate how the brush spins, how much water it puts on the floor as well. So it's a really smart system. But this year, the really big new feature is that jet foaming. It actually puts on, I think it says 167 million little micro bubbles to really just help clean everything off the floors. Look, I think any house needs this. Great for the bathrooms, great for the kitchens, great for hardwood floors. And of course, it mops at the same time as vacuuming, so you don't ever have to vacuum first to clean your floors and then mop afterwards. So just throw out your old mops. Definitely go with this. Okay, so that is our quick tour of Roborock's stand here at CES 2026. Look, I am just absolutely amazed by the innovation that they're showing here when it comes to home cleaning and robotics. But also, they're very proud to announce this year that they are partnering up with Real Madrid. So, hey, there's some fans here on the stands. What do you think? I think it looks great on me. But they've really partnered because it is the greatest, meaning the greatest. I think that Roborock really sort of wants to associate with the excellence in terms of consistency and performance of Real Madrid. Also just the innovation that I guess both companies have in order to stay on top. So anyway, hopefully you'll see some of their cleaning tech in your homes very soon. I'm Val, and I will catch you in the next tech video.